Jordan North is leaving BBC Radio 1. The station announced that they would be waving goodbye to the host and I'm a Celebrity star after 10 years. Taking to X, formerly Twitter, Radio 1 announced in a statement, Radio 1 will be saying goodbye to Jordan North. Jordan has been behind some of the most hilarious and entertaining moments on air over the years, and has been a constant source of inspiration for younger presenters. Thank you for everything. Fans have been left heartbroken by the news, with one tweeting, "Why do the good ones always leave?" While another one commented, "Really hope this was your decision at Jordan North 1 and that it means bigger things for you, we love you and will miss you very much 20. Jordan is yet to comment on the news, but the BBC has confirmed that former Made in Chelsea star Jamie Laing will be replacing him on his Going Home show alongside Vic Hope. Jamie is set to take over from March 4 and has said that it is an absolute dream to be taking on the role after previously covering for Molly King while she was on maternity leave. "I've loved every minute that I've been on air with Radio 1 in recent years, so to be joining Vic on Drive Time is just incredible," he said. "I'm beyond excited to get started and keep listeners company on their journeys home." Head of Radio 1 Aled Hayden-Jones said of Jamie, "His infectious energy and love for music and culture will bring an exciting new element to Drive Time." He went on to describe Jordan as an amazing presenter and a valued colleague at Radio 1, and "I'm so proud of his journey with us." He added, "He has always connected with the Radio 1 audience through his shows and projects, as witnessed by the huge amount of money raised for comic relief during his rowing trip from London to Burnley." News of the replacement has left some fans upset and even vowing to boycott the show. One furious fan tweeted, "No way, this is who you replace Jordan with. This is going to be insufferable driving home from work. Maybe it's finally time to change station to one with better music." While another commented, "Won't be listening to that any more than another pointless celebrity on either radio or TV. Why is there such an obsession with all these talentless maiden people?" A third fumed, "Wonder how many more listeners you'll lose now. Standard of DJs are terrible." Follow Mirror Celebs on TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Threads.